Hey, it's Gina from WTI. I love drinking tea all day long, but one of my favorite teas to drink in the morning is a nice cup of Assam. This organic Assam tea from FGO Organics has been a part of my morning routine for the last several weeks. I think it tastes really good with a splash of cream and a sweetener of your choice. As far as flavor goes, I would say that this Assam tea is a little bit on the milder side of different Assams that I've tried. I generally do use 2 tea bags every time I brew a cup, but especially if I have it in something that is 10 ounces or more of water. I really appreciate that this tea bag is made with hemp fiber paper and it's free from dyes, adhesive, glue, and chlorine bleach, which means that I can put it straight into my compost, and then I know when it goes into my garden, it's not going to be causing any kind of issues. This is a great go-to if you want that little burst of caffeine in the morning as an alternative to coffee, and it gives you that really bold malty flavor of Assam. And that's my point of view.